Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I'm so excited that you're here because today we're talking about my nighttime skincare routine. This is a routine that I really try not to skip out on, even when I'm like dead tired late at night. So if you want to see all the products that I use, the regime that I kind of mastered over the years, then please keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And today is Wednesday, so you guys get a new video. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video. I feel like I haven't done a giveaway in a minute. I like to do as many giveaways as I can, especially when I work with a company. And today we are working with Moonlit Skincare. So Moonlit Skincare and I will be giving away one winner. This little kit here, this is the Midnight Shift little set. It comes with an eye mask, the oil, and then this little cosmetic bag, which is really amazing. I am not being paid to say any of this stuff. I genuinely love their product and purchase their product, and that's why I got a chance to collaborate with them and wanted to give you guys a free little kit. So if you guys want to know how you can win one of these, then make sure you stay tuned till the end. But let's just jump straight in. Don't forget, all product links are always down in the description, as well as all my social media links. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all those good places. And let's just get started. So before we get started, why don't we talk about my skin for a second? So ever since like 6th and 7th grade, honestly, when I first started getting my period, I remember having acne. It's just genetic. I never had perfect skin. My oldest sister has like perfect skin. She had like the occasional zit, but like she has perfect skin. I never had that. I always had really bumpy, oily skin, large pores, especially right next to my nose. And my skin was always an area where I felt very insecure. Even now, I'm breaking out a little bit on my forehead. Even though you guys may not be able to see it right now on the camera, if you saw me in real life, you'd be like, oh, she doesn't have as good skin as she looks like on YouTube. My point is all to say that everybody struggles with something and everybody has an insecurity, and my skin was mine. So throughout the years, I've really tried to master my skincare. I've really spent a lot of coin on my skincare products and really trying to figure out what works well for my skin. Now, I'm not saying that this is gonna work for you or it's gonna clear your skin up or it's magically gonna, just disappear. But I am saying that I think when you stick to a regimen and you're strict on it and you really take your time to take care of your skin and cleanse your skin and moisturize your skin, then I think you will see a bigger difference than if you were just, rinsing your makeup off with a wipe and then, washing your face and going to bed. So that's kind of like my skin story, just so that you guys have a little bit of a reference. I was really inspired by the 10-step skincare system. It's a system that I've been trying to adapt in my routine for a really long time. 10 steps is a lot, okay? I totally understand for some of you guys that's so unreasonable. That's not something that you can do. So I think if you can pick and choose certain things as I'm going through and talking about my steps, then I think that might be helpful. But the first thing I'll do is cleanse my skin with either a balm or an oil, just to remove all of my makeup and like the foundation, the mascara, all of that, my eyebrows. I'll go in with this Body Shop chamomile oil cleanser, and this definitely leaves a slight residue on my skin, so that's why it's not the end. I'll always do this, and then I'll go in with like a makeup wipe and just remove all the excess of makeup on my skin. I'm currently using the Kirkland makeup wipes from Costco. They're super cheap. They work just as good as Neutrogena ones. I love them. Desi Perkins got me hooked on them, so that's the ones I'm using. So once I have removed all of my makeup, I then go in with a cleanser. There's not one specifically that I'm like recommending to you. I'm currently using the ExfoliKate by Kate Somerville. I really like this one. I recently got it at Sephora. I really like to bounce around and try different cleansers from the drugstore, from Sephora, like everywhere. I really like to try them all. And when you use different cleansers and when you keep using different products, your skin is never getting used to it. So I've always heard that it's a good thing to try and mix up your products and just mixing it up once in a while. So I'm using the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. This is one of my favorite products by far. I got mine from Amazon. The reason I love this, I use it morning and night, but the reason I love it is because it really goes into your pores and really pulls out all the dirt, and it gets so much more than what you think you'd be getting with just rubbing your hands on your face. I use the daily brush head on an everyday basis, and then twice a week I'll go in and switch it out with the exfoliating brush head. When I'm doing masks and I want to remove the mask, then I use the silicone brush head, just so you guys know for reference. And I totally forgot to talk about the exfoliating steps. So I exfoliate twice a week or maybe once a week, just depending on how my skin is, with a physical or chemical exfoliant. This one here is the Vitamin C Liquid Peel by The Body Shop. And as you can see, it pulls up your dead skin after you leave it on for a little bit. So you'll just rub that over damp skin, and then you'll see these little grits after you've waited about like 10 seconds. These white grits of skin just start to pull up, and it just really takes off all the dead skin, and it leaves your skin feeling so glowy and super clean. And then once I've cleansed my skin, this is where I'll normally do a face mask. I don't do this every night, so I just wanted to make that clear. This is not an every night routine. The mask section, it's just twice a week or 3 times a week when I feel like my skin really needs that extra layer of masking. So I'll normally do this after the cleansing process. I have a couple of different masks here to show you guys. I'll always go in with a charcoal one if I feel like my skin is super oily, or I'll go in with my Body Shop Anti-Pollution Matcha Mask. I really love this one. It's kind of stingy and it's very minty. I live in Los Angeles and there's so much pollution outside, and even if you don't live in like a polluted area, it's really good to just have a mask that you know is really targeted to cleaning your skin and just rejuvenating your skin from within, which is amazing. Once I have left it on for 10 to 20 minutes or so, I'll wash my skin off again with the Ultimate Skin Spa, the silicone brush head, or if it's like easy enough, I'll just wipe it off with my hands. I'll pat my skin to dry, and then I'll go in with a toner. Right now I'm using the Kiehl's toner. I was recommended this one to me from the person who works at Kiehl's because she had oily skin and she recommended this one. And she said that the clay in this toner really balances the oils in your face. I haven't used it long enough to really give you guys a full in-depth review, but I'll always tone in this step after I've cleansed my skin. You'd be surprised at the little bits of makeup that you didn't get around your ears or your neck or your forehead, your hairline. So that's really what I go in, and I kind of wipe my T-zone with my toner. Once I finish my toner, I'll then go in with 2 serums at night. So I'll normally go in with a face oil and a serum. I'm currently using the Caudalie, this serum here, and I'll do 1.5 pumps. I'll rub it in between my hands and I'll really pat that into my skin. I love the consistency of this, and it's really targeted to oily skin. I really do like this serum. It's not super oily. It doesn't leave my skin feeling like wet or like gross. It really absorbs well into my skin. And then I'll go in with my Moonlight Skincare Overnight Oil. I love this thing, you guys. Like, it puts me straight to bed. I've talked about this before on my channel. During the winter, I don't know about you guys, but my skin gets so dry. Like, it's so dry that it feels like it's gonna crack any moment. And that's why a facial oil is really good to kind of come in and rehydrate any dull or dry skin. This one particularly is infused with lavender, so it's really calming and it puts me to bed right away. I like to put a little bit right under my nose and right in this area of my neck so that I really get the scent coming into my nose. I know that sounds crazy, but it actually really helps. So a couple drops of this, and then I just pull that all over my face. Amazing. It soaks in really well. I'll then continue the rest of my skincare routine, which is putting on eye cream underneath my eyes. And you always want to tap that eye cream into your skin and not rub it in, because that could create more fine lines and wrinkles. So you'll tap that eye cream into your skin, and then I'll go in and I'll either, if I'm feeling like my skin is super duper dry after that, I'll then go in and put a little bit of moisturizer here and there. But if I have any active zits, then I'll go in with my Teca Barrier Cream and I'll go over any zits or scarring that I have. So that's what the Teca Barrier Cream is really good for. before. But otherwise, after the facial oil, I really don't do anything more to my skin because normally after that point, it's really hydrated. It feels really plump. My skin is feeling so ready for bed. At this point, I'll just put a lip sleeping mask on. I'll either go in with my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, my Balm de Rose by Terry, or I'll go in with the Body Shop, the lip balm. I forgot what it's called. It's like Born something. Born Lippy. Those are what it's called. In the watermelon flavor. It's so good. It smells amazing. And that is like my entire skincare routine done. I never forget to pull products down onto my neck. You can really tell a woman's age by their hands and the rings on their neck. So when I heard that, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to like do my skincare routine on my neck too. And then the last couple of things is I'll put some hand cream on, I'll brush my hair, I'll spray my pillow with the Bath & Body Works pillow spray. And I love this stuff, just like laying your head in it and like just smelling all the like aroma of lavender and cedar wood and like all the like beautiful smells just really puts me to bed. I'll take a big drink of water right before bed. I'll either read my Bible or FaceTime my boyfriend or do those types of things right before bed. And then I'll put my eye mask on and then I'll go to bed. So those are all the steps that I do for my nighttime skincare routine. That is how I love my skin. That is how I try my best to maintain my skin so that it's not super gross. I know that this skincare routine may seem so unnecessary for some of you who are born with really good skin and you don't have a care in the world about, you know, wearing your makeup to sleep, which is a nightmare for me. But for me personally, this is just something that I have to do for my skin because like I said, I always struggled with acne and I love makeup so much, but that doesn't help my skin at all. Now let's talk about the giveaway for this little guy here. So this little set is also sold online at RileyRose.com. We're gonna give one lucky winner the Constellation Kit. This is so exciting for me because you guys know how it is. If I get free stuff, so do you. So that's why I'm so grateful to Moonlit Skincare for giving me the opportunity to give one of these to a subscriber of mine. So thank you so much, Moonlit Skincare, as well as you guys who are subscribed to my channel. So the rules for this giveaway will also be down below, but you have to be subscribed to this channel here, following me on Instagram. You also have to be following Moonlit Skincare on their Instagram account, and comment down below one of your favorite things to do for your nighttime skincare routine. So those are all the rules to enter to win for the Constellation Kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you know how much I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!